If you were tired of your test data getting in the way of the actual information you want to see, like the live transactions in your pages or your funnel, there's now a way to remove and delete test transactions, test data. To do that, all we have to do is go over here to the left-hand side of the screen or the left-hand navigation, click on settings, and from there, it'll bring us to our general settings. Now on the general settings page here, scroll down to the bottom, and near the bottom, you'll see an option right here for delete test orders. All you have to do is click on the button right here. It'll take you to another page or show a little pop-up. And at this point, we can go ahead and confirm that we want to delete these orders. If you were trying to clear everything out so that way you can change the currency of your account, just make sure you read this guy right here, actually. Basically, all it's saying is when you go to the pop-up here, make sure you have this little checkbox checked off and then delete the orders. So that way all test data or test transactions are included in this actual event. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to go and actually change your currency if that's the main goal of this video for you. At this point, all of your test data and transactions should be erased from your account. And yeah, congratulations, your account is now decluttered. All right. With that said, if you have any questions on this at all, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.